In this final video of the Advanced series, we take a deep dive into prompt flow, Azure AI Foundry's visual orchestration framework for building, testing, and deploying LLM applications. Prompt flow is a visual DAG-based editor built into Azure AI Foundry. You connect nodes, LLM calls, Python functions, and prompt templates into a pipeline. Flows are stored as YAML and Python files, so they're fully version controllable in Git. There are three flow types: standard for single-turn pipelines, chat for multi-turn conversations, and evaluation for scoring other flows. Within a flow, LLM nodes call your deployed models, Python nodes run arbitrary code, and prompt nodes render Jinja 2 templates to build dynamic prompts. A simple RAG flow needs 5 nodes. The first 2 handle retrieval, embedding the query and searching Azure AI Search. The third renders the context and query into a prompt template. The fourth calls GPT-4o. The fifth formats the response. Connect them in sequence and you have a working RAG pipeline. Variants are one of prompt flow's most powerful features. Create multiple versions of any LLM or prompt node. For example, a concise system prompt versus detailed instructions. Run a batch evaluation across all variants on the same dataset and compare quality metrics side by side to pick the best prompt. Batch runs execute your flow against an entire JSONL dataset. Attach an evaluation flow to automatically score each output. The Foundry dashboard shows aggregate metrics and per-row results, and you can compare ones across different flow versions to track quality improvements over time. Deploying a flow as a REST endpoint takes one click. Foundry provisions a managed online endpoint, generates an open API spec, and sets up Azure AD or API key authentication. Monitor your endpoint's latency, throughput, and error rate in Azure Monitor. To recap, use Prompt Flow's visual editor to build multi-step LLM pipelines. Use variants to A/B test prompts, run batch evaluations to measure quality, and deploy as a managed REST endpoint. That wraps up the Azure AI Foundry Advanced series. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Expert of AI for more Azure AI content.